Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Batman Arkham Knight game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Now once you are inside the store page, just click on the search button and then type in Batman Arkham Knight and begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, which will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews for the game. In order to purchase the game, just scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside whichever edition you would like to buy. Then you can click on View My Cart and continue towards the payment. Now from the payment page, just choose whichever method you would like to use to make your payment and continue forward. Now just provide the credentials for the method that you have selected to finalize your payment. Once your payment has been finalized, the game will then be added to your library, from which you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Batman Arkham Knight game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Batman Arkham Knight game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.